Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sapna Master Ielts. This video is for 1st June Ielts exam review. How was the exam today? आज का exam कैसे रहा with answers of reading? We will be talking about the first part, that is listening. Listening was easy and faster. It was with 1.25 speed. Blanks they match the information and long MCQs were fine. There we had the questions related to reading part where true false. It was moderate. According to the students, it was easy to moderate. As per the prediction, we said that the first passage is going to be easy, but the rest passage can be difficult. It was moderate according to the students. Blanks they match the information tha again. Talking about writing task one, it was table chart, and writing task two, it was related to the government and all kind of artists, including painters, musicians, poets. However, other people think it's a waste of time. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So you can also contact us for the next online classes. The batch is going to start from 6th of June. If you want to score like this student just in 10 days, you can join our classes and you can book your seat right away. The next announcement is you can also get the recorded lectures if you download this app that is on Google Play Store. The name of the app is Sapna Masterclass Ielts. You can go there, find the link. I will be uploading this. I will be pasting this link in the description box also. You can just click on the link and you can get this app, download this app. You can get various courses and predictions available there. The description is also available there. You can find it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Telegram channel per you will be getting the previous exam papers. Instagram per you will be getting the predictions. And online classes ke liye this number is available. You can just contact here. All the best, guys. We'll see you in my next video.